Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 32 power 200 minus 2 power 999. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'll take 32 power 200. So 32 we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 power 5. So we can write it as 2 power 5 power 200. So by using the property x power m power n, that is x power mn, so we can write it as 2 power 5 times 200, that is 2 power 1000. So I'm going to replace it. So 32 as 2 power 1000 minus 2 power 999. So 2 power 1000, I can write it as 2 power 1 times 2 power 999, because x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n minus 2 power 999. Now from both the numbers, I can take 2 power 999 as common. So what is left? 2 minus 1. So 2 power 999, 2 minus 1 is 1. So our value is 2 power 999. So without using calculator, we are going to solve this type of problem like this. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.